Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Today is a very special day for me. It's a Rock and Pour collaboration. I'd like to take a moment and thank Louise McKay Art, Laurie Houston Art, and Angela Bliss Art for inviting me today to their Rock and Pour collaboration. I do hope you'll follow along. I have a playlist listed below. Louise McKay Art will be following me directly. And closing out today's collaboration will be Shelley Anderson Art, so please follow along. I will have a playlist in my description. And please let me apologize for being out of frame. I did not realize that. I got this great mold from Temu that I have been wanting to do. See the link above and below for my big Temu haul. I'm going to put down a very thin layer for my first layer here. I'm going to speed through a lot of this because this project spans over many hours, and I don't think I would be able to fit this into the 15 minutes. So we're gonna speed through 20 times and maybe sometimes a little more. This is a picture of my little girl Spot, and I decided I would want her on my ornament. So I covered her in some heavy gloss gel so it doesn't bleed into the resin. I will explain as much here as I can, and the rest I will explain down in my description below. I took out a few bubbles with that heat gun, and now I'm adding some glitter. It's called rose quartz glitter. And now I'm adding those little brads. I cut the edges off, and I'm just using the little ball parts to it. And one of them had a pretty glitter star, and I added that up on top. And now I'm adding some glitter. It's extra fine glitter into my resin. And I'm just adding that around, settling everything up, getting ready to set my timer for 2 hours. So I'm brushing on the TLP Cappuccino, and that's going to be for the tree stump. If you look a little closer, you'll see some garlands in there, that pink and green. I'm going to show you here some added trimming. And that's just placed right on top of my dried resin. Now I'm adding the Pinot Grigio that I mixed up. Now this is really special. This is called Flower Soft, and this is Peony Pink. And this is real flowers that are dried. And I'm mixing that in because it actually is going to make this look so beautiful. And you're going to love it. Now we're mixing up that TLP Shimmer, and that has got a green gold. And now I am mixing in the bottle green, and that's an alcohol ink by Ranger. I added a little white pigment into the TLP just to give it a little more substance in there. And now I'm adding this little by little onto my tree in little dots to try to get some effect. Which in the long run, I'm not really sure if that worked or not. But it does look quite lovely in the final outcome. all these layers. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just tidying up, getting everything into its place because we're getting ready. Going to be putting that heating mat on again. I hope this is my final layer. I think I'm going to try adding a few different things here. So I'm going to add some of these crystals that I made. I had made these in a previous video, and I'll list that down below. And I'm going to add some extra fine glitter in there. And now I'm doing the same thing with the pink cut glass. I'm adding some resin into that. I'm going to put some of that up in my star, because I want to be sure that that star stays pink or stays the lighter color. And we'll put some of that down here on the bottom, which that's going to wind up being the tree stand. And now slowly I'll be adding in the cut glass, and this will form the back of my tree. Now I'm taking a little of that cappuccino to form the tree stump. Just taking out the last of the bubbles here. And then set that heating mat for 2 hours. Okay, so we have an hour and a half in here. This actually feels like it's done. Okay, I'm going to unmold at an hour and a half. This all feels done. It does. So, and how about making sure that I'm in frame this time? That might help out too. Okay, so I'm going to take this out of the frame, out of the mold. Down there. Here's my mold. Look how easily that comes out. Whoop. Yeah. We've got 3 little pieces here. And my tree. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I am really so excited about this. I'm excited and I can't wait to see. Oops, oh, is this hot? Yeah, so those are the 2 pieces that we got from Temu. As you can see here. Shut that off. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's see how this one is. Ooh. That is beautiful. And that is the bottom piece for the tree stand. That's the tree stand. So, I'm excited. I wonder if I could use it that way. I guess you could use it either way, really. I'm going to call this, I'm going to say you could use this either way. So this is one part, and this is the other. Wow! Look how beautiful that is! Wow! Look how pretty. So, okay. So that can stand up in there. I'm gonna figure this out. Oh, there we go. And now here's my little ornament. What spot? Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. And that goes, how does that go? Oh, I need to get, okay, I need a ribbon or something. I'm gonna think that you could probably use this either way. Depending on your mood. Yeah, if you felt like a darker tree, or you feel like a lighter tree. I'm gonna put this down here. So look at that. How beautiful. So I found myself some lights, and check this out. How gorgeous is this tree? Look at that. I am so in awe. I love this. I'm speechless. I love this. Look, I thought my effects didn't come out, but look how beautiful that is. Look how three-dimensional. I just needed a little light behind. And look at that flower source. You can actually see the petals in there. Oh my goodness. I love this tree. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Christmas in July. Oh, I love it. And I love my tree from Temu. When I remembered that I had a string of these little lights, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to try that. And look how gorgeous they came. Look at that. And here's a tree that I did July 2021 for Christmas in July collaboration. How about that? Directing you to Louise McKay Art next.